Good morning, everyone. I'm Mirasol Bishanes, residing here at Mainitluk, Sibula, Negros Oriental, and I'm very much happy that I am able to register here at Upwork. This was Odesk before, and I would like to say thank you so much to all the people who supported me here, and then to my hiring manager here at Upwork. I would like to say, dear hiring manager, I am reaching out to express my keen interest in contributing my multifaceted professional skills to your esteemed clients on the Upwork platform. With a comprehensive educational background and extensive experience in the field of education and administration, I am well equipped to offer high-quality services clients across various domains. I graduated from the prestigious St. Paul University in 2006 following my completion of the Medical Dental Nursing Aid course at Central Visayas Polytechnic College in 1996, where I was honored to be on the Dean's List. I have also successfully pursued a master degree of education somewhere in Cebu Technological College University, Mualboal campus, earning my certification after passing the rigorous comprehensive examination. My professional journey commenced at Holy Cross High School, spanning a decade, where I honed my instructional skills and contributed significantly to student development. My dedication to teaching was further recognized when I joined the ranks of public education in 2016, achieving the #1 rank in both my science major and in the entire District 2 Sibula, Negros Oriental Province, which speaks to my acumen and commitment. Over 18 years, I have fortified my knowledge base with seminars and continuous learning in line with the K-12 curriculum. Moreover, to keep pace with the evolving digital landscape, I completed a typing professional course offered by Impulse, acquiring skills in ghostwriting, proofreading, transcription, and data entry. These additional qualifications will enhance my ability to deliver top-tier virtual services to clients on Upwork. I am eager to harness this diverse skill set on the Upwork platform, offering expertise in educational content creation, administrative support, and various virtual assistance tasks. I am especially interested in opportunities that allow me to share my knowledge while working on innovative and challenging projects. I am committed to excellence, and I bring to the table a can-do attitude and a strong work ethic. My detailed resume is attached for your review. I am very much looking forward this opportunity to contribute to Upwork community, and I am willing to engage in tasks best suited to my abilities. Thank you for your kind consideration, for considering my application. I am excited about the project of joining the Upwork family, and I am available at your earliest for further discussion. Warmest regards. Once again, I'm Mirasol Shenes. Thank you. Bye-bye.